Dude, I'm gonna need some more of these.
You know, right? You're gonna have to get those.
Yeah. Nice. He's not the biggest, but we haven't even picked up the power poles yet.
I blind casted where he said they were going, and I done caught him. Nice tail walk, dude. That was beautiful.
Fish. God, he's short and fat, man. Look at that.
Holy moly, this thing's got some.
Oh, there's a big one coming.
It's got some girth.
Good, man. They'll see you.
There was another one too.
Oh,
that's a
giant
different fish, dude.
That's a good one.
That's a different fish.
They don't look that big.
No, they don't, man. Smaller one, I cast him, he swam right.
That's a stud.
You saw that one come to it.
That's a good one. That's a good man. He's fatty. Get him. That's gonna help.
You think it's gonna help the cause here? What do you think he weighs?
Nice. That's a nice one.
Great Lakes Finesse Snack Craw. Come resist.
Man, what a crazy little fiasco.
It's crazy.
These are some good fish here.
Dang right they are.
Dang. 6 pounds, 8 ounces.